I don't know the last time I was this excited about a tool, but I'm quickly transitioning to a huge DuraTech fan. As soon as I opened these things, first thing I did was test the spin of the ratchet. Kind of like a bezel on a nice watch, listening for crisp, sharp clicks of the teeth, and boy did these deliver. Just take a listen. The 72 teeth are built to catch the bolts and nuts that may not be perfectly shaped. If you think about it, how often do we see rounded edges on a bolt from someone using the wrong size wrench and it just kept slipping and it wore it down? And frankly, it's more often than we should, but this helps catch all corners for better performance, not to mention they just look really good. These are the metric version, 6 to 18 millimeters. Obviously, if you work on some heavy machinery or something, these will be a little bit limiting. They're probably more for the everyday mechanic or contractor. Made from vanadium steel, I'm gonna go ahead and level with you. No one actually knows or cares what that means, but they are definitely sturdy and superior feeling steel, and really that's all that matters. In fact, DuraTech advertises that these are unbreakable. They're finished with an anti-corrosion coating, so they're set up for the long haul. Pretty awesome, but even with the durability, they are super slim. Definitely great for tight spaces like working on cars. DuraTech says premium roll-up case, and at first I thought, yeah, I'm sure it's actually premium, but it is, really. It's nice and thick, the sewing is firm, and the threading is sturdy, so oddly enough, I'm impressed with it. What I would also say is start getting comfortable with switching to brands that aren't from the big box stores. For too long, we've considered these products kind of the gold standard, but the beauty of Amazon is how much they've opened up the market for these other products, and DuraTech really does fill a nice void of a good product at a good value. So whether you're just working on your daughter's bike or actually have a big project that you need, these things really can just about do it all. Whether you're in the market for a new set of wrenches or you're just looking for a great gift, give these a shot. You will not be disappointed. As always, reach out with any questions or concerns.